Good morning from Graham Family Farm. Last night it froze. I like to get some of this wood cut up before the snow flies. It's supposed to be snowing here somewhere around noon. That's what they're predicting. At least for right now, that's what the weatherman thinks. I don't know. Anyway, there's a lot of stuff we got to get done today. The shop really needs to be cleaned. I gotta load the truck for the dump. Still gotta move this trailer. Hopefully Odo gets that moved before the ground thaws out. But then again, the ground may not thaw out. It may just snow on top of it, which should be fine because we wouldn't have the mud. Well, it's about 12:30 or so and it's snowing, so at least the gutter car washed, and it needs to be put over here in front of the camper and put the car cover on it, but still want to put pallets under the camper before I put the Mustang nose under the camper, because if it falls, I hate to squish the Mustang. She would not be happy. Otto did get the travel trailer out of the field there. The ground was hard enough this morning to move it, so we're going to put it right here with this Charlie's ZJ and my 110 there. The trash truck's going to be moved, which we want to move it anyway so we can clean out the garage. Trailer a little heavy for this truck. Okay, we got the trailer up here in place. We're gonna drop it off for right now here until we can get the stuff out of the lane and move it on the other side of the house. It's taking up our driveway for our shop, but with the snow and the mud, I guess this is all we got for right now. We hope we don't slide off this hill. Old golf cart tires. Whew, that's a little cold in the face. Okay, now I got a boar that likes to climb the fence. Want some special treat, aren't you? Yeah. And break the ice in the water. It's that time of year. Well, not too bad. I got 9 eggs again. Not sure what happened yesterday. I only had 7. Harold and his little friend eating over here. And I can't keep that water dish clean at all. We just cleaned it out last night, and it's filthy again. Mom's got some hay in hers, and drink quite a bit of it. With these little pigs, 2 of these need to go. If you're interested, let me know. Or even trade. You got something to trade? You need some pigs? Let me know. I'm just trying to back the trailer down, and I'll put it over there by where the other trailer was, hopefully with the tongue close to the gravel so we can get a hold of it. So we're not driving through the mud. Well, it's a cold one out here. I'm not sure if I'll make it back up to the house with the golf cart. The dog's having fun. Well, got my eggs. I gotta take it back to the house and go up and stand next to the fire. It is cold out here. Tire spinning. Had to have a push from the auto to get going. I want to slow down. And I can't see the snow in my eyes. Well, that's tight. Yeah, I almost did make it up here. I think I gotta park the cart. Need some snow change or something. No traction. Oh yes, nice warm fire. Sure is cold out there. Well, it's been a productive day. We got a lot of stuff cleaned out of the shop. The years of the business, everything got shoved in here. There's tools, there's Jeep parts. It's a total mess. But anyway, we're working on it, getting it cleaned up. Good job, Ron. Otto's back with the dolly, so he moved the wood stove. Anyway, we'll keep working out here and appreciate you guys watching. Have a great night and a great weekend.